Hello, good people. So, I'm going to try an experiment. This is an old wig from my collection that needs to be washed and fried and dyed and, laid to the side. It's a full lace wig that has a band at the bottom. So what I'm going to try to do is try to refurbish this wig and make it a braiding unit, if that makes sense. Like, look at the lace. This wig desperately needs some attention. So that's exactly what I'm going to do since I have the time now. I am currently on quarantine. So, yeah, my job exposed me to somebody that had the COVID. So, I'm quarantining myself. But, yeah. So, let's get started with this process. So, the first thing I'm going to do is wash the wig, of course. On here, you can see it's still a little bit of glue on the lace. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to remove the glue on the lace with a towel and some alcohol. So after I do that, I'm going to try to remove these clips as well, because I don't like clips in my head or in my wig, so I'm going to remove these as well. And then after I do that, I'm going to wash the wig and deep condition it. Even though I'm braiding it up, I still want it to have that shine. I don't want this hair to be looking dull, and then the braiding hair that I'm braiding it up into is all shiny, because then it's like, sis, what you doing? So yeah, I got some things on my hand, so I'm gonna work on getting this glue out, and then I'm going to wash it, deep condition it, and all of that sort. I'm also going to wash my braided hair as well, even though it's not going to go directly on my scalp. I still don't want no dirty hair or hair that has a lot of chemicals in it just attached to my head, period. So I'm washing everything before I put it in my head. So, yep. So it's kind of hard to show you all exactly what I'm doing because I'm my own cameraman, because I'm quarantining from everybody. So I'm going to try to show you as much as possible how I'm doing it. I've already gotten a little bit of the glue off. That was on this side. So what I do is I take this alcohol, which is, a little alcohol that I got from the dollar store that costs literally $1. Put it on the towel. And then I rub it on the lace, and I go in that outward motion away from the lace. A little bit may get on the baby hairs, but it's okay because the alcohol is also on the baby hairs, so it'll just slip right off. So you see how it's coming off. You see that this is glue. This right here is glue. You see how that just came off as I'm rubbing. So I'm going to continue to rub until all of the glue is off the lace, and then I'm going to try to get these clips off. So I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all. So all the glue has been removed from the lace. I got majority of it out. That's all that matter. Okay? That's all that matter. So now I'm finna try to get these clips off of here, because I don't like them. I don't like clips. I don't even know why. I think this was probably one of my earlier wigs, like when I first started in the hair industry. And I was just ordering stuff. You know what I'm saying? Not knowing what the hell I was ordering. But yeah, these clips, I'm finna try to get them up out of here. They got to go. So we're going to come back with an update. I'm going to let you know if I was able to get them out or not without damaging the lace. That's one thing you have to be very sure about not doing, is damaging the lace, because it's so sensitive. So make sure you're very gentle when you're dealing with the lace, because you can easily cut it, rip it, tear it, whatever, and basically then the wig ain't no good because you done messed it up. So be gentle with the lace, ladies and gents. Be gentle, okay? All right, y'all. I was able to get that, well, the combs out, and I sewed the little fabric that the combs were attached to so that it could look a little bit more natural than what it was going to look like if I would have left the combs and that little line going across. So I'm happy about that. Now, Lord, it's time for the detangling process, which I don't think it'll be that bad because this is, I've had this wig for well over 5 years and I feel like it still feels good. So I'm going to detangle it, wash it, deep condition, and let it air dry. And we gonna see what's given with that. Mind you, this wig has been put up for years. Probably, I'm telling y'all, it's been definitely more than 5 years. Because I've had my sister locks for 2.5 years, going on 3. And then before I got my sister locks, I was rocking my short styles, you know, with the blind bombshell joints for like a good year or 2. Maybe even longer than that. It's been longer than that because I had it black and I was rocking it short black for a while too. I want to say about a year, 2 years. So that's like 6, 7 years right there. And it's still, you know, look kind of good. And I haven't even washed it or anything yet. I haven't conditioned it or none of that. So we still looking good. You feel me? I'm trying to say this is from the Her Jenny collection. If you want a quality wig, I'm telling you, you gotta shop with the Her Jenny collection. This wig old as I don't know what. And still look good. And it's dirty. I have to wash it. It's been in a box, literally, for I don't know how long. Baby, let me tell you something. When I get done with these braids and I slide this wig on, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Do you hear me? Nothing. And that's on period. Period, poo. But yes, I'm getting ready to wash it. I just wanted to detangle it just to make sure. So, you know, it's a little shedding. A little bit. Not a whole lot. But, you know, this is what I expect. Well, I actually expected more hair than this. But this is what I expect when I haven't washed or conditioned or done anything to this wig in like over 5 years. So, yeah. Now we finna wash this joint. So in this clip, I basically put the conditioner on and I'm combing it through to make sure that it's saturated all through the wig. And I'm going to leave it on there for about an hour or 2 hours just so I can make sure I'm putting all the nutrients back in the wig that was lost after it had been sitting for so many years. So now I'm getting ready to wash the conditioner out of the wig. And yes, I used the plastic bag. Don't judge me, but you see that wig. You see how it was looking dry in the beginning. Now it's looking all moisturized, good and glistening and whatever. So yeah, we getting ready to wash this out. And y'all gonna see what it look like when it's fully dry. And when I dry it, I allow it to air dry. I don't put heat or anything on it because for what? And plus, I was tired with washing all that hair anyway. I had to wash this wig, and I had to wash the weave too the braiding weave that I was gonna use to braid the hair. Baby, I was tired. I wasn't doing all that. Okay, so just watch the video. Bomb Dillion, baby. Look at this wig. Still got the little wave pattern in it and everything. Yeah, funny. Come on now. Get you a Her Genie collection wig, baby. Get you one of these, okay? So here in this clip, I'm soaking the braiding hair in apple cider vinegar to try to get all of those chemicals and things that they use to try to preserve the weave out of it. Because this is what typically causes people to break out or their scalp to be irritated. So even though I'm wearing a wig, I still don't want all of those chemicals or toxins in my hair at all or touching my scalp. So I did let the braiding hair soak in the apple cider vinegar for about 2 to 3 hours just because I wanted to make sure that I got all of the toxins out or at least loosen them up. Now I'm getting ready to go in and wash all of the wefts or wash all of the braiding hair so that when I put it in, all of the toxins, I know for sure that all of the toxins are gone. So this is just a video of me washing all of it. Well, I'm probably not going to show the whole video because y'all know how to wash hair. This is not y'all first rodeo. You wash it just like you wash regular hair. You put the shampoo on there, scrub it dub, rinse, and dry it on off. So y'all see how I'm washing, then I'm finna go ahead and move on to the next part. I holla. Alrighty, y'all. So here is the beauty. Look at it. I let her air dry. This is the next day. And this no products in it at all. I washed the conditioner out. So I let the conditioner sit in there for about an hour because, like I said, I haven't worn this wig or did anything with this wig in over 5 years. So I just wanted to make sure that it got the nutrients that it needed, and it did, because look at it, it's just so soft. And you see how my fingers just rake through it. It's not getting caught or anything like that. This is a nice, good quality wig. So I'm getting ready to add the braids to it, and I'm going to show you all that in a minute. Yes, honey. time to get started. The hair that I'll be using is Model. It says 3X Glance Formation Natural Touch Braid. So this is the pre-stretched. It's 76 inches if you stretch it all the way out. If you fold it, it's 72 inches, but if you fold it, it's 36. So it's gonna be folded. So of course it's 36 inches. So of course it's gonna come down my back. Okay, but yeah, let me get started because I really want to be done by tonight with these braids. So I'll be back. So I braided up this wig with some knotless braids. I have one more braid left, and it took me forever because I did very long braids. So I'm gonna do this last braid, and then I'm going to try the wig on, see what it looks like. I'm excited because this is my first braided wig that I've done. I've always worn wigs, but not a braided one. So we shall see what it looks like.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight. All this jewelry ain't no use when this bit is done. It's my favorite part. We see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the wrist on the wrist and link of charms. Yeah, laying was still a link apart. Like we could die all young, like we could die all blonde. If we could see in 2020, twice we could see it.
So I am complete. The wig is complete. So now I'm getting ready to try to cut some of these flyaways that are coming from the braids. And then I'm going to put it on so you can see how it look. And get all glammed up or whatever. Yeah, I'm saying. This is the finished look. Thank y'all for watching. Mwah.